How much does appliance repair cost in 2026? Here's every major appliance. Diagnostic fee, $75 to $150. Ours is $109, applied to the repair. Refrigerator, $200 to $500 average. Compressor replacement is the expensive one at $400 to $700. Washer, $150 to $500. Drain pumps and switches are cheap. Motors and transmissions are expensive. Dryer, $100 to $400. Thermal fuses and belts are cheap. Elements and motors cost more. Dishwasher, $100 to $350. Cheapest to repair but shortest lifespan at 8 to 12 years. Oven and range, $150 to $500. Igniters and elements are affordable. Control boards are pricey. Freezer, $250 to $500. Same components as refrigerators. Garbage disposal, $75 to $250. Many are simple jams. Brand matters. Samsung and LG parts cost more. Whirlpool and GE parts are cheaper and easier to find. We always recommend OEM parts for safety-critical components. We give a full quote before starting. No surprises. We also offer monthly maintenance plans to avoid breakdowns entirely. Same-day service on all brands in Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hobe Sound. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.